Hello everyone, Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a singles only love reading. Kung ikaw ay single and currently may connect na special someone or nasa getting to know or ligawan stage kayo, let's see kung ano ang possible energy ng connection, feelings ng person, and intention, and of course, possible outcome ninyo. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you so much sa mga new followers, subscribers, and to those people na nagko-comment, nagla-like ng videos. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow all of our social media accounts para maging updated sa iba't ibang readings and of course sa mga pa-free readings. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's see. Again, this is a singles only love reading. Yung ready na or may connect na, may ina-entertain na, may kinakausap na. Let's see. What's the energy ng connection first? Energy ng connection ng kakonect mo ngayon. Energy ng connection ng kakonect mo ngayon. Energy ng connection na ito. What is it? Four of Swords, first card. We got Four of Swords. For some of you here, significant or importante ang simbahan, or there's an energy na peaceful ang energy ng connection na ito, or nagsimula ang energy ng connection na ito na very peaceful ang atake. Four of Cups, another 4. Kung ikaw ay nakakakita ng 444 or date of birth mo ay may 4, or ikaw ay 24 years old, this video might be for you. What else? Okay. Oh, Knight of Wands. Another Page of Swords. And Knight of Swords. Okay, for our first 5 cards, nagsimula ang connection, ang energy ng connection na to, parang tahimik lang. Walang ina-expect na magiging jowa or magiging constant yung pag-uusap. For some of you here, nagkakilala kayo sa isang dating sites, sa isang online app, or madalas kayo mag-usap online kahit na nagkikita naman kayo, pero mas madalas kayong mag-usap or mas active kayo online ng person nito. And meron din ako nakikita dito, yung pag-uusap ninyo, although malinaw ang mga conversation, very puno ng kaalaman, or mahilig kayo sa mga topics na very knowledgeable about general knowledge, or I heard the word banter. Yung banter ninyo is puro pang matalino conversations, ika nga, or maybe yung energy ng connection ninyo kapag nag-uusap kayo online, masyadong fast-paced, mabilis, and ayun nga, nagkaroon din ng medyo mabagal man ang pagpasok ng connection na ito, or mabagal ang pag-build ng energy with this connection. Nagkaroon din kayo agad ng intense na attraction in the middle of it. And what else? For feelings naman ng person. Feelings ng person towards you, nakakonect mo. Again, this is a reading, a love reading for singles only na may kakonect na ngayon. I also heard the word giggles. Or maybe this person is madalas kayo batuhan ng jokes, or alam mo yung masundot-sundot yung flirting ninyo sa pamamagitan ng jokes, ng banter. Ayun. Let's see what's the feelings naman ng person na ito towards you. For some of you, ang kakonect ninyo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Or pwede namang meron ka sa chart na yun. We got 5 of Cups, 5 of Wands, another double number, Queen of Pentacles, the Moon, and the High Priestess. Okay. The feelings of this person towards you, although nagkaroon kayo ng mabilisang palitan ng communication or active kayo sa online, nagpapalitan ng mga messages, ng mga jokes, ng mga banters, flirting messages, flirty kind of messages, I can see that this person is not yet ready to fully commit. Kung ikaw ay ayun nga, may kakonect na and medyo nagkakaroon ka na ng pagpapalagay ng loob towards that person. Right now, mas mabuting tanungin mo sa kanya kung ano talaga ang estado ng kanyang puso, or mas mabuting dahan-dahan muna, wag muna kayo umakto na parang alam mo yung uso ngayon, yung parang kayo pero hindi, para hindi kayo magkaroon ng pagsakitan ng mga emotions. Right now, although this person is very active sa pakikipag-communicate or pakikipag-usap sa'yo, I can see that this person is still grieving. I can see a death card here, although wala tayong death card dito. Maybe this person, or pwedeng ikaw or both of you, ay galing sa kaka-end lang or fresh breakups, or may mga situationships na hindi nag-work pero hindi natapos ng maayos, hindi nag-end ng maayos. Right now, this person is still conflicted pa sa nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Bukod sa natutuwa siyang kausap ka, or you're someone na binuview ng person na to as intelligent, communicative, very mabilis ang process ng iyong brain, matalino. Right now, this person is still conflicted kung idediretso niya na ba ang inyong connection from being single to in a relationship status. And right now kasi, since this person is very stable naman when it comes to career, when it comes to maturity, dahil nga hindi pa siya totally naka-get over from past wounds, na totally na connected pa siya sa ex niya, pero alam mo yung nararamdaman niya, hindi pa siya totally open to be with someone. But right now naman, since I can see that this connection is, ayun nga, bago pa lang, there is still a chance to really get to know each other. Mas maging malinaw lang kayo sa kung nasa ang estado na yung kanya-kanya ninyong mga puso or emotions. I can see that this person is still secretive towards you, still testing the waters, kung pwede na ba siyang mag-open up sa'yo, maging soft towards you. And this person na connect mo is very intuitive, konektado siyang madalas, or super connected siya sa kanyang emotions and intuitions, kaya mabilis niyong mararamdaman kung ano yung mga pagbabago sa pakikipag-usap ninyong dalawa. And intentions naman ng person ito towards you. Intentions ng person na ito towards you. Let's see. Three of Wands. The Star card. The Sun. Four of Wands. Another four. Last card. Two of Wands. Okay. Right now, ang intentions ng person towards you, gaya nga ng sabi ko, wag mo nang madaliin ang pag-level up ng connection kasi meron ako nakikita dito. Kapag naramdaman ng person na ito na she or he is, or any kinds of pronouns, is this person is safe towards you to open up, and you're someone din na very transparent, very emotionally connected and mature, there is a possibility that this connection might progress into something positive, something na magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. But at the same time, this person also, alam mo yung childlike energy niya, mas magiging open siya doon pag nakaramdam na siya ng safetyness regarding sa pakikipag-connect sa'yo. This person, ang intention niya sa'yo is, hindi naman sa ginagamit ka niya, pero nagiging maingat siya, or maybe napapansin mo na minsan bumabagal yung progress ng conversations ninyo, or nawawala siya, not because she or he is planning to hurt you, but right now he is, or this person is really contemplating kung ano ba talagang status na ninyo. Maybe I heard the word 3 months, maybe ganun pa lang kayong katagal na nag-uusap, but right now intention ng person na ito towards you is nakikita ka niya as someone na may potential bilang partner niya, and nakakaramdam din siya ng saya kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng pakikipag-usap or nagkikita kayo. Maybe something like street foods are significant sa inyo. So I can see that this person is very positive naman yung intentions niya sa'yo. Hindi siya yung tipo ng taong alam mo yung landian lang. Hindi ganun yung type of energy ng relationship ang nakikita ko with this person. Pero ang ano lang dito, medyo cons lang dito na part, or consequence lang dito na part, is this connection from this person is built into, like, alam mo yung kinda slow burn, na medyo mapapatanong ka if is this really worth it. Pero ayun nga, nakikita ka ng person ito as someone na potentially can be his or her partner. Ayun nga, bukod sa very slow burn siya, magkakaroon din to ng reflection sa kung paano kayo mag-handle ng pasensya para sa isa't isa. And for the last last 5 cards is the outcome, anong possible outcome ng connection mo with this person. We got Queen of Wands, 10 of Wands, Ace of Cups, 9 of Wands, and lastly, we got the Emperor. Okay. For some of you here, medyo nakakagulat para sa'yo ang presensya ng person na to. Maybe this person is someone na medyo hindi mo inaasahan yung atake niya nung nagkaroon kayo ng communication or conversation with this person. Pero ang nakikita ko kasi dito, aside sa both of you are sobrang attracted kayo sa isa't isa, meron ako nararamdamang attraction, but then again, for me, attraction is not enough to keep the relationship going or alive. And although on your end, I don't know if ikaw yung someone na mahilig ka sa cute and printed pajamas. Yung mga may ganong styles, yung may mga cute styles na pajamas. Something like beige color I can see here. Yun nga, ang nakikita ko ding possible outcome for this connection. Merong magko-confess dito eh. I can see that there is someone na siya yung mauunang magpaparamdam. I can see that this is you. You might be the first one na magsabi na parang nakakaramdam ka na ng love towards this person. Nakakonect mo. Pero yun nga, ang nakikita ko kasi sa person mo, very mature siya mag-handle ng communication. Pero, ang nakikita ko dito, once na may mag-confess na sa inyong dalawa, be careful lang when it comes to, like, handling so much control. Yung, kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na parang gusto mo i-control lahat, yung takot kang maging vulnerable na once na maamin mo na parang, okay, naamin ko na, that's it, like, I don't know what to do anymore. Instead of being more patient or just work on it, or tanungin mo siya, what's up about this one, nakikita ko kasi on your end na baka, alam mo yung ikaw yung tipong tao na baka mawalan ka ng gana. So, sabi nga nila, kung sino yung pinakamabilis na mag-burn na star, yun din yung pinaka biglaang mapapagod. So, my advice to you is just take it slow, be clear talaga kung ano yung gusto mo with this person, and maging clear ka din sa sarili mo kung bakit mo ba na-entertain yung taong to? Bakit mo ba siya kinakausap? Ano ba yung gusto mong makuha from this person? Ano ba yung gusto mong i-maintain or i-build from this person? Kasi, if meron kasi ako nakikita dito, possible na magkaroon ng pagkawala ng control. So, pag nawalan na yung ng control, bigla kang magsa-step back. So, may possibility dito na baka magkaroon ng disconnection. So, ayun lang, be clear kung ano yung gusto mo from this connection and from this person. And yeah, thank you and hope na this helps. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave everything sa comment section. And ayan, thank you so much. See you.